Discord has just posted free 1-month Nitro post on their Instagram. In this video, I will show you 2 guaranteed ways to get free Nitro, and 1 without payment method. Anyway, to get your free 1-month Nitro, watch this. You gotta add your birth date. Wait. You can't claim it just yet. Who's gonna log in? Either log in or create an account, whatever. You got a bunch of options to sign in, some of which even I don't know. After signing in, just click the Get button here and check your email in 20 minutes. It says in library for me because I had already claimed it. Now the email that you will receive should look somewhat like this. One thing though, it's not available for these regions. You shouldn't have had Nitro for the past 12 months, excluding the ones from Orbs. Last but not least, it requires payment method, credit or debit card or PayPal with a minimum balance of $10. Now the second method is to get your free 1-month Nitro from tracker.gg. This thing works only till June 16th, so you gotta hurry up. First you have to create an account there and connect your game, and then head over to homepage and click checkpoint and view all. You will find free Nitro page here. In short, the way this all works is you have to connect your favorite game to this app. Once you do that, some EXP thingy will spawn at the top of the screen. Then, just continue playing your game and generate this EXP. Once it reaches the threshold, you will receive free Nitro. When this thing was first released, it demanded your tracker.gg accounts to be 1 month old, but now even new accounts can roll with it and get their free Nitro. But the catch is exactly the same as the last Epic Games promos, for example, payment method and the other requirements I talked about. Now we will go to the last method, which will absolutely give you guaranteed free Nitro. Just do the quests. There are around 7 quests that you can do right now. Each of them gives out 200 orbs. In total, you can get 1,500 orbs just by doing these quests. Now, if you want those additional 6 quests, you're going to need a US-based VPN because they are strictly exclusive to the United States. But wait, hold on a second because you need to hear this first. A lot of people in the comments have been talking about getting soft banned by Discord for doing this. Is that true? Well, kind of. It actually happened to me and a friend of mine, too. I was stuck with a temporary 4-hour restriction where I couldn't send messages or chat with anyone. Here's why it happens. Discord's automated security flags heavily shared VPN IP addresses. If you leave your VPN on by accident and try to upload a photo or spam messages, Discord thinks you're a malicious bot and locks your API access. So, if you want to use a VPN to farm these extra US quests, it absolutely works, but you are doing it at your own risk. Decide carefully. Anyway, we have finished the 6 quests. There's even 2 puzzle quests that give 700 orbs each. I have made walkthrough and posted all the quest links in the video's description. In total, we have gotten 3,500 orbs. This is enough to give you 6 days Nitro since a 3 days Nitro costs 1,400 orbs. To be honest, it doesn't even require payment method to claim your free Nitro.
Now you know what's really free? Yeah, server decor and layouts. You can join my Discord server to get free decor and layouts, and maybe some resources to decorate your profile. If you don't want all that, it's alright. Just join us to make new friends. We'll be waiting for you. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and help it reach the people who genuinely need free Nitro but haven't been fortunate enough.